Luxurious lounge, contemporary kitchen, five-star hotel-style bedrooms, great location, gardens, ample parking, and of course, a swing chair right here on the balcony. Welcome to Villa with Backup Power Airbnb, located in Pemways, Lanet, Nakuru City. Let me give you a tour of this wonderful place. Now, this is a 4-bedroom, all-ensuite mansionette with even an entertainment room on the very upstairs. I'll show you around everything. It's just amazing. So let me just start one by one. Ample parking on that end for as many cars, I would say, up to 5 cars, like everybody. If you come 4 guests taking every bedroom, everybody will have their parking inside here. Now, on my left, we have got some beautiful gardens right there. Green is good. Greenery is good for relaxing. And on that end, there's another garden right there with taller trees. So it has a nice shade, a place where you can chill out there. Now, come inside. But before then, just appreciate the contemporary facade, glass facade of this mansionette right here, like that. And of course, it has got this entry porch come balcony. The one upstairs is a proper balcony. Both of them gives you amazing views of the compound and even the neighborhood. So on this entry porch right here on this end, you have got this swing chair and these rattan chairs, right here for just relaxing outside and having a view of the compound like that. And of course, you can stay there even if it rains, because the glass facade, again, like I told you, you can always lock everything. Na mvua iwezi kuja pale. Amazing. All right. So welcome inside for luxury of its kind. So the lounge here, cozy, spacious, speaks a lot of volumes when it comes to luxury. So overhead, you have got that beautiful top quality, high end, for that matter, downlight and the gypsum all around with recessed in lighting, with even a snake light, just to create the mood that you like. Whether you're watching a movie at night or it is daytime, you can always turn them off, or you just want to do with some ambient lighting in here. I'm telling you, this is an amazing place to be. So the lounge has got, how many seats is this? This is an 8-seat set right here, 7-seat set, sorry, right here in the lounge. And I like that on either side of the couches, you have got these tables where you can place your drinks or even your light meals. Okay, I didn't mention meals because we have got a dining area on that side. Now, during the day, a lot of natural light comes into this space because the home has got so many windows, okay, all around, okay? And looking again at the beautiful curtains that they have there with the shears, etc. You have a clock on that end. Of course, you have to keep time, sindio? So that's why you have a big, beautiful clock, which is actually also a decker on that end. If you need deckers like this in this Airbnb, by the way, this kind of deckers, I know a guy who sells these kinds of deckers, okay, including wall deckers like that one right there. Bless, food, family, love, amen. All right. Now, right here on the breakfast nook, we have got these 2 bar stools, okay, right there for you to have a drink to kutoka hapo, that area. And then I forgot to tell you that on this end, you have got 105-inch TV for that matter. Look at that, beautiful. I'm watching videos of Switzerland. I think that country is really blessed when it comes to landscape, the natural landscape. Switzerland, okay, it's one place I would like to go. And then of course, you have got the sound system right there for your music. There is even DSTV, by the way. You can watch football ukiwa tu hapa without going out there to the noise. Sindio? Sometimes you just want to do it in-house. Now, welcome to the contemporary kitchen that I talked about. There is a lot, to see here, starting with the induction cooker right here. And then you have got this contemporary, smoke wood above it. And then just on this island, surrounding it, you have got these cabinetry and also drawers, like this one here has got some cutlery right there. So it's a place you can come, and even if like for a large group, for family, it's a place you can come, you cook your meals, you've got enough items here for you to prepare your food and etc. So all around the island, you have got those cabinetries and drawers. Now, this side here, we have the worktop. But again, you notice there are other appliances right here. We have got a coffee maker, there's a kettle, and there are this one. What do you call this one? Ya kuchoma mkate. I keep forgetting that name, but it is right there. And then this cabinetry right here. Inside you have got wine glasses, and other items. You have got your plates, apple, and cups, etc. Okay, so here you will be home, a high-end home, away from home. Okay, for that matter. So the sink for washing the dishes is right there on that end. Some of the dishes are here. And of course, you can always keep more items in the pantry. Huku. Needless to go there, but it's also where I've seen we have our gas tank. Okay, contemporary kitchen, like I told you guys. Now, so this is like an extra room, okay, away from the kitchen right there. So, okay, we do have some items here, but well, it's just another room that you can always come and chill. Sindio? Yeah, but from here, I'm able to access the backyard. There's a door in front of me where my videographer is standing. I'm able to access the backyard towards that end. All right, so maybe I forgot to mention a few things on the dining area here. We have got a dining area set for 6-seat dining table, and then there's a fridge right here, okay, double door for that matter. So that's why I'm telling you guys, this Airbnb is the perfect staycation for a large group and even for family, okay, and especially for long stays. You are not getting anything similar to this in the whole of Nakuru. This one is the only one of its kind. On the far end, you have got the wash basin and a vanity. That's where you wash your hands before you have your meals. And again, look at the gypsum. No, not the gypsum. The chandelier just above the dining table. Quite unique. Okay? Many of the things in this home are unique. You won't find them anywhere. You won't find this kind of light anywhere else. Of course, the dispenser is right there again. Yeah, I mean, there are so many details to talk about, okay, right here. So, but what I can tell you guys is that some of these things, explanation doesn't do much justice. Some of these things can only be experienced to really be appreciated. So make it a point, book this Airbnb. The number is right there on the screen, okay? Just contact the host. And the price is also right there. The rate is also right there on the screen for the entire 4-bedroom home. And of course, if you need to take maybe 2 bedrooms and above, you will also be given, but not 1 bedroom. You can't rent a 1 bedroom here. Okay, so there is more appliances, as you're seeing. That's why I told you guys there are so many details here. Can't point to each single one of them. So just do yourself some justice. Come and experience this kind of luxury living. Now, this area here, on that end, you have got the common washroom with toilet only. Now, right here, look at, this unique pedestal sink with a mahogany style finish. That's why I told you the things that are in this villa, they are not to be found anywhere else. Okay, they really went, when they did their selection, they really went for the top quality and unique stuff. So 4 bedrooms, all ensuite, with 1 bedroom on the ground floor, 3 more bedrooms on the upper floor. Now, this is the first bedroom and comes with a 5x6 bed. You can see it is well prepared for you guys to come and enjoy your stay. And then you have got enough storage in these wardrobes here. By the way, wait and see the wardrobes in the primary bedroom. Guys, Just hold on until you see those ones. So this is enough, okay? More than enough actually for the resident who will be here. And then it comes with a workstation as well on the side. So ukika hapa, you can be doing your work hapo. You do your reports, nini, submit your reports, hivyo hivyo. Exactly. So this is the ensuite right here, and a very unique shower again right there on that end, and yeah, toilet seat and pedestal sink as well. And so like there are so many details that you guys, needless to mention all of them, needless to go to the tiny details such as a soap dish. So those ones can be seen as well. Sindio, needless for me to say that. But let me talk about the mahogany, you know, the wooden staircase, you know, going up, okay? Even the wooden rail, hapa hivi. I'm telling you, it's just amazing, right? So we are going up now. Follow me through this wooden staircase. Yeah, and up here, you have got 3 bedrooms, again, all en suite. So I noticed there's a door right here that can actually lock the guys hapa. Okay, it's lockable. So should you wish mujifungie huku juu, ni sawa. Now, this is another bedroom, a replica of the one we saw down there. Okay, the setting is the same. 5x6 bed, wardrobes on that end, workstation right here. Everything is actually the same as the other one. And of course, the ensuite is right here on this end. Okay, so let's check the other side. Let's check the other side. Coming like this, we enter the 3rd bedroom. So the bed size is still the same. The beddings, you know, they went white, of course, with that gray strip hapo katikati. Wardrobes kule, it is pretty spacious. The workstation is right there on that end. And then, of course, I forgot to mention that you have got those side bed drawers. And there's a dressing mirror on this end as well, and there's another one right here in front of the workstation. Perhaps unaweza kaa hapa ukijiona kule. So even for corporates, okay, who are coming to Nakuru and they're looking for a place ya kukaa pale, or even those who are in Nakuru and they're looking for a place maybe for team building, hapa unaona kila mtu ako na workstation yake. So kila mtu anaweza kaa desk yake na anafanya kazi yake. Mkichomoka hapa, kule chini hata kuna barbecue. You put it on the garden pale, you roast your meat hapo vizuri, then mnakaa chini mnakula tena mnarudi kazi. So this is a great place, amazing place honestly. So now the addition of this bedroom is that it has got this private balcony right here. So you can always bring a seat hapa, unatulia hapa, and you just unwind, you know, by looking outside here the neighborhood. So the ensuite yake is right here on this end. So needless to go in, you know, bathroom, you know, bathroom too, sindio? But zao those ziko, you know, ziko a bit up a notch kidogo. Especially, come and see this one here in the primary bedroom. Now, I told you guys about wardrobes. Tukiwa pale chini. Look at the amount of wardrobes in the primary bedroom. Okay, end to end. From the entrance there, all the way to that corner. This amount of wardrobes hapa, I'm telling you, they are just, they're like almost equal or even more to a 2-bedroom apartment or even a 3-bedroom apartment that you find in town. You can go to Naka Estate and then you find a 3-bedroom. I'm telling you, sometimes, somehow, the whole wardrobes in that home may be less than what you have here. This is just the primary bedroom. That's why I told you guys 5-star hotel style bedrooms, particularly this one right here. So it also comes with a baby cot on the end here. So if somebody has got a small baby, there's a baby cot hapa. So this one has a 5x6 bed. There you see. And of course you can see how spacious this bedroom is. It is really massive for that matter. Side bed drawers with a side bed lamp right there. Appreciate that. And the washroom here is a bit different again from that one. So it has got this shower cubicle right there. And look at that highest of quality shower right there that you have. You know, it's amazing, right? And then the toilet seat is on that end. Now, another great addition to the primary bedroom is this balcony right here. Huge balcony for that matter, with some rattan chairs on this end for two people to relax. It has two seats for that matter. So a couple, you know, using this master bedroom, wakichoka ukaa pale ndani wanakuja hapa, put their drink hapo kidogo, bas, one on that side, one here. They do their stories, looking outside, they plan their things, unwind. Perfect place, I'm telling you. You are not getting anything of this quality in Nakuru, except at this villa with backup power. And of course, it has backup power. So even if steamer, electricity, even if there's a blackout, here you will still be lit. If you are watching football, you will still continue to watch. If you're watching Netflix, everything, nothing will stop, in short. Now, there's one more space that I have not shown you guys. So again, we are going to second floor. There's another space here, which is the entertainment room, right? So here I am, and it actually comes with a sofa bed and a projector. So the projector can always mulika this side, and you guys can still have much entertainment up here. That's a bonus. All right, Ezra, we have seen the beautiful home. Tell us the rates. Well, it's going for 18,000 Kenya shillings on low seasons and 25,000 Kenya shillings on high seasons. The entire home, and they accept up to 9 people. So kama mko anything less than that, karibuni. Mkiwa more than 9, sasa huyo wa 10 nitampanga with another Airbnb elsewhere. Si hapo iko sawa? Asanteni sana. See you in the next one, and subscribe to this channel for more information from Nakuru and beyond the city. Whether you need an Airbnb, an apartment for rent, a home to buy, a plot to buy, I'm the plug. No one does it better right here in Nakuru than I, Ezra Ondara. Tuonane tena siku nyingine.